Welcome to ASB channels. Comes again is a new subjects. General awareness. December 2004 का current affairs latest 40 questions. It will helpful for your forthcoming examinations. Okay, चलिए देखिए. It will help for your banking, SSC, railway, CSAT, OSSC, SSC, any competitive level. Very important questions. Look at the first questions. Which telecom operators has launched the country's first direct-to-device satellite internet service? कौन सा telecom operator, telecom company recently launch किया है? Direct to device satellite internet service. Option 1 is BSNL, Jio, Airtel, Vodafone. Okay. Look at the options. BSNL, Jio, Airtel, Vodafone. Your correct answer is BSNL. Okay. Now let's discuss. Okay. BSNL's the government of India का company है. India's first direct-to-device satellite internet service, aiming to bridge the digital device in remote area. Particularly remote area के लिए internet connection के लिए वो अभी launch किया है direct-to-device satellite internet service. Okay, the service provides high-speed internet without the needs of traditional infrastructure, using advanced satellite technology. Okay. Then come to the second questions. Which ministry recently launched AI-enabled Tarang system? Okay. The option 1 is Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Urban Development. Your correct answer is Ministry of Defense. Okay, Ministry of Defense. Look at the explanations. It is developed by Bhaskaracharya National Institute for Space Applications and Geoinformatics. It improves planning and operations of defense equipment both wartime and peacetime. Okay, the system enables automated efficient management. Defense spectrums support the development of new technologies in higher frequency bands. Okay. BISNG, SAGN, the automated body under Ministry of MEIT. Okay. It focuses on research, technology developments, and geospatial technology supporting capacity building and entertainment. Okay. Then come to the third questions. Which day is observed National Epilepsy Day? Yes, November 16th, November 17th, November 18th, November 19th. Your correct answer is November 17th. Okay. November 17 is the National Epilepsy Day. Okay, देखिए, epilepsy or seizure disorder, a chronic brain condition where nerve cells misfires, causing recruitment seizures. Okay, epilepsy इसको बोलता है क्या है? Seizure disorder. Number 4 questions. Which country launched Global Energy Efficiency Alliance at COP29? Which country recently launched Global Energy Efficiency Alliance at COP29? India, France, United States, United Arab Emirates. Okay, your answer is correct answer is UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. Look at the explanations. UAE launched the Global Energy Efficiency Alliance COP 29 in Azerbaijan. Okay, Azerbaijan is a country near to Russia, neighborhood of Russia. A double global energy efficiency by 2030. Okay, it will help African countries by providing financing options and technology solutions crucial for sustainable energy development. Okay, then come to number 5 questions. Recently, the super typhoon, that is known as Mani, has hit which country recently? The typhoon Mani, option is Vietnam, Singapore, Philippines, Malaysia. Your option correct answer is Philippines. So, चलिए देखिए number 6 questions. Which city host Global Pride Summit 2024? Your option is Dubai, London, Paris, New Delhi. The correct answer is Dubai. Look at the explanations. The Global Pride Summit 2024 started in Dubai on November 18, hosted by DPY. The organizer is DPY. More than 5,000 leaders from 155 countries attending the 3 days events. The theme क्या था? Acting today to reach the opportunities of tomorrow. Okay. The number 7 questions. Who has been appointed the new Controllers and Auditors General of India, CAG. Okay. Controller and Auditors General of India, the highest organizations. Okay. Jitendra Kumar K. Sanjay Murthy or then the sense Bhaskar Kulve. The answer is correct answer is K. Sanjay Murthy. Okay. The Controller and Auditor General is known as the Public Purse of India. Okay. He succeeded Girish Chandra Murmu from Odisha. Girish Chandra Murmu is a dynamic person from Odisha who was the first Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir also. The appointment was made under the Article 148(1) of the Constitution by the President of India, Mr. Draupadi Murmu. Murthy is currently the Secretary of Department of Higher Education in the Ministry of Education. Okay. Look at the question 8. What type of satellite is India's GSAT-N2, GSAT-20, which is launched by SpaceX Falcon 9 rockets? Which type of satellite is India's GSAT-N2? Okay, launched by SpaceX Falcons. Navigation satellites, communication satellites, weather monitoring satellites, Earth observation satellites. Your correct answer is communications satellite. Okay, look at the explanations. It was developed by New Space India Limited, NSIL, under ISRO's Department of Space. Okay, GSAT-N2 operate in the Ka band and supports higher throughput communications with a capacity of 48 Gbps. Okay, its main aim is to give the offer data and internet service to remote area and infrared connectivity across India. Okay, thank you. Then come to number 9. Where was the 19th G20 Leaders Summit held? G20 Leaders Summit का कौन सा जगह में होता? New Delhi, India, Paris, France, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, London, United Kingdom. So your answer is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro is the largest, biggest city of Brazil. Brazil is a South American country. Brazil is the 6th largest country in the world. Explanations. G20 summits is being held in Rio de Janeiro at the Modern Art Museum hosted by Brazilian President Luiz Inácio लुला डी सिल्वा। ओके, इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, यूएस प्रेसिडेंट जो बाइडेन एंड चाइना जी जिनपिंग also attend these meetings. Okay, where are the International Film Festival of India IFFI 2024 heads? Where was the International Film Festival of India 2024 held? Your option is Hyderabad, Goa, Mumbai, and New Delhi. The correct answer is Goa. Panaji में बता. Look at the explanations. The 55th International Film Festival of India IFFI opened with a star-studded ceremony in Panaji, Goa. The International Film Festivals IFFI founded in 1952. It is among Asia's most significant film festival and held annually in Goa. Okay. Then come to 11 questions. Number 11. Which organizations recently published the State of the World's Children's 2024? United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, World Health Organizations, WHO, International Level Organization, ILO, World Trade Organizations. Which organization recently published State of the World's Children's reports? Okay, your option is United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF. Okay, देखिए explanation देखिए. UNICEF has published State of World's Children's 2024 reports. उनका रिपोर्ट में क्या था? Report highlights that nearly 1 billion children facing high risk climate and environmental hazards. 1 billion people, children. Okay. 2024's reports launched the World Children's Day, that is November 20. Okay. Focus on listening to the future. Okay. By 2050, India, China, Nigeria, and Pakistan account over 1/3 of the global child population. Okay. India, China, Nigeria, and Pakistan. India projected 350 million children, the largest share globally, despite 116 million declines. Okay. The number 12 is where was the second India CARICOM summit held? India, Guyana, Barbados, Bahama. The option is Guyana. Okay, देखिए. The Prime Ministers attend the second India CARICOM summit in Guyana, marking the first visit by Indian heads states over 50 years. 50 साल के अंदर में कोई इंडिया का हेड विजिट नहीं किया था गयाना का. This is the first visit by Indian. He held talk with the Caribbean countries, focusing on trade, technology, and tourism. Okay. The first India CARICOM summit was held in 2019. It was established in 1973. It is a regional organization promoting economic integration and cooperation in the Caribbean. It includes 21 countries comprising 15 members of states and 6 associate members such as Antigua and Barbuda and Barbuda. Number 13 questions. What is the rank of India in the Climate Change Performance Index? This is data, latest data. What is the rank of India in the Climate Change Performance Index, CPI 2024? The option is 6th, 7th, 9th, 10th. The correct option is answer is 10th rank. India का rank Climate Change Performance Index में 10th rank है. Okay. Look at the explanations. The Climate Change Performance Index 2025 was released by German Ossc New Climate Institute and Climate Actions Network International. The क्या report देखिए. First 3 spots were left empty. The Denmark, रैंकिंग 4th, इंडिया सीक्रेट 10th क्वेश्चन. ओके, CPPA क्या है? इवैल्यूएट्स प्रोग्रेस ऑन ग्लोबल ग्रीन हाउस गैस emissions, renewable energy, energy use, and climate policies. It covers 63 countries and European unions, focusing the world's largest emitters. Okay. Then, come to 14 questions. What is the name of the India's first indigenously developed antibiotic targeting antimicrobial resistance? That is AMR. Azithromycins, ciprofloxacins, apithromycins, amixolin. Okay, the option is C. Then come to the 15 questions. Which state is the host the Khelo India Youth Game 2024? The game का sports का जीके. Which state is the host the Khelo India Youth Game 2024? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Gujarat. The correct answer is Bihar. Khelo India Youth Games 2024 host करेगा. Okay? देखिए एक्सप्रेस देखिए. Bihar will host Khelo India 2024 games in April. For the first time, Bihar will also host the Khelo India Para Games, Paramedical Games. Okay, following the Youth Games, 10 to 15 days gap. First Para Game edition was held in Delhi last year. Okay, Para means the persons disability. Khelo India Youth Game 2023 was held in Tamil Nadu. Okay. What is the primary object of vision portals? Very interesting thing. Recently launched by the government to empower underprivileged youth through education, skill development, and sustainable livelihoods. Second option is to establish new startups, to provide scholarship for engineering students, to promote research in higher education. The option is the correct answers. To empower underprivileged youth through education, skill development, and sustainable development. Visions portal का object है. Okay, look at the explanations. The vision stands for, vision का full form क्या है? विकसित भारत initiative for students, innovations and outreach network. The portal is aimed to empower underprivileged youth through education, skill development, and sustainable livelihoods. According to latest data, India has third largest startup ecosystems, growing from 350 startups in 2024 to 1.67 lakh in 2024. Okay, the Startup India program was launched in 2016. 2016 में लॉन्च किया था. Nurtures innovation and supports startup, particularly for disadvantaged group like SC, ST and women. Okay, इनका फोकस क्या है? SC, ST and women. It's developed by Ossc Foundation, a Gurugram-based non-profit focusing on youth empowerment and skill development NGO. Ossc Foundation is an NGO from Gurugram. उनको ये पोर्टल को बनाया था, डेवलप किया था. नंबर 17 क्वेश्चन देखिए. Which public broadcasters recently launched OT platforms, that is OFs, OTT platforms, WAVES, OFs. प्रसार भारती, All India Radio, Doordarshan, and none of these. Your answer is Prasar Bharati. Okay. Look at the explanations. Prasar Bharati has developed a new OTT app called Waves to meet India's growing streaming demands. The app offers live TV, on-demand content, movies, shows, e-books, live events, that is religious programs, cricket, etc. Okay, and e-commerce after via ONDC network. Number 18 question देखिए. Prime Ministers recently, Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, was honored with the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s Global Peace Award for Minority Upliftments in which country? अभी इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी was awarded Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Global Peace Award for Minority Upliftment in which country? United States of America, France, United Kingdom, Russia. Your answer is United States of America, that is USA. Okay, look at the explanations. What is the name of the campaign launched in India to eliminate gender-based violence? कौन सा कैंपेन अभी लॉन्च किया है इंडिया में? लॉन्च किया देखिए, बेटी बचाओ शक्ति अभियान. अब कोई बहाना नहीं, निर्भया इनिशिएटिव. योर करेक्ट आंसर इज अब कोई बहाना नहीं. देखिए, the aim is to eliminate gender-based violence in India. It is a collaborative effort involving the Ministry of Women and Child Development and Rural Development, supported by United Nations ODA. Okay, very interesting. Castor forest disease. Castor, that is known as Castor. Castor forest disease, which was seen in the news, has emerged in which state? The forest disease, Castor, the forest disease recently come in news, emerged in which state? Karnataka, Odisha, Bihar, Maharashtra. The correct answer is Karnataka. Look at the explanations. The Chikmagalur health officials are on alert to prevent this disease, also known as monkey fever. Okay, KFD, that is KFD. Castor's forest disease, KFD, is a tick-borne viral disease first reported in Karnataka, first in 1957. The disease is caused by virus, part of tick-borne complex. Okay, its symptom is high fever, nausea, diarrhea, etc. Which city hosts the Army Day parade in 2025? Your option is Jaipur, New Delhi, Pune, and Indore. The correct answer is Pune. Army Day parade 2024. Pune host किया था. देखिए explanations. The parades honors Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa. उनके ऑनर के लिए वो parades आयोजित किया था. India's first army commander in chief in 1949. K.M. Karyappa. इंडिया का first army commander था. This parade was traditionally held in Delhi. The event began rotating cities in 2023, with Bengaluru and Lucknow hosting 2023 and 24. Okay. Pune was selected because its military heritage and role as Southern Command's headquarters. Southern Army का Southern Headquarter Command का located in Pune. 22. What is the primary objective of One Nation, One Subscription? One Nations, One Subscription का primary object क्या है? To provide universal access to medical facilities. Option 2, to offer country-wide access to scholarly research articles and journals. To promote international collaboration for research. To fund private research institutions. The answer is option B, to offer country-wide scholarship research articles and journals. Okay, this is the correct answer. Look at the 23 questions. Supreme Court recently upheld the inclusion of which terms in preamble of Indian Constitution. Very important topics of the month. Recently, Supreme Court, the apex judicial body of India, decision-making body of India, upheld the inclusion of which term? Secular, socialistic, republic, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, sovereignty. The correct answer is secular and socialistic. Look at the explanations. Recently, the Supreme Court of India dismissed petition challenging the constitutional validity of 42nd Amendment. Note कीजिए, which added secular and socialistic to the preamble during the emergency in 1976. Note it. The court also stated these terms have gained widespread acceptance and clarified that Parliament's power under Article 368, note कीजिए, allows for amendments including those to the preamble. The ruling emphasized that Constitution is a living document reflecting the evolving interpretation of these concepts in Indian society. Very important topics of the week month. देखिए एक पर्सन का Ossc has been elected the new president of which country? कौन सा country का? Paraguay, Uruguay, Venezuela, Guyana. The option is Uruguay. Option is Uruguay. What is the name of the innovative digital platform recently launched by Ministry of Education to empower educators in India? Teachers App, Teach Now, Learn Smart, EduTech Hub. Very important current affairs. What is the name of the innovative digital platform? Innovative digital platform launched by Ministry of Empower Educators in India. The correct answer is option A, that is Teachers App. Okay, Teachers App. Okay, the Teachers App is developed by Bharati Airtel Foundations. It offers over 260 hours resources including courses, videos, and interactive sessions. The platforms align with National Education Policy 2020, emphasizing the importance of continuous teachers development to enhance students' engagement, learning outcomes. Okay. The number 26, which ministry recently launched national campaign Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat to make India free of child marriage. Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat Abhijan. देखिए, to free of child marriage के लिए, to control the child marriage, उनके लिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया बाल विवाह मुक्त भारत एक कैंपेन स्टार्ट किया है. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है, सवाल क्या है, कौन सा मिनिस्ट्री उनको लॉन्च किया है? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स. So your option is C, that is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Look at the options. The Union Ministers of Women and Child Development, Annapurna Devi, launched Bal Vivah Mukt Abhijan. Okay, at Vigyan Bhavans, New Delhi. The campaign inspired by Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao in 2020 and 2015. Okay. Then come to the 727 questions. Which state is the host the 12th edition of International Tourism Mart? कौन सा स्टेट अभी होस्ट किया था 12th edition of International Tourism Mart को? सिक्किम, असम, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र. Option is Assam, North State Assam. Okay, look at the explanations. Kaziranga in Assam. Kaziranga is a national park. Is famous for one-horn rhinoceros. Okay, one-horn rhino. के लिए famous है. Hosting the 12th International Tourism. Okay, is organized by Ministry of Tourism. Okay, the events promotes Northeast India's tourism potentials, domestic and international visitors. Kaziranga National Park, UNESCO World Heritage Sites, known for its one horn rhinoceros अभिनय किया था, बोला था. Who has won under it World Chess Cadet Championship in Italy. Okay, Montesi and go. Anish Sarkar's Bodhana, Sivanandan's Vidit Reddy, Ossc Osssc. The answer is Vidit Reddy. Okay, look at the expansions. 8-year-old Vidit Reddy from Hyderabad, he belongs to Hyderabad, won the under 18s World Cadet Chess Championship in Italy. Then come to 29 questions. India's first green hydrogen fueling station. Very important. Very, very important. India's first green hydrogen fueling station has been established in which city? Option is Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The option is Leh, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Look at the explanations. Amara Raja Infra set up India's first green hydrogen filling station in Leh, Ladakh for NTPC. It will enable emission-free transport in regions, positioning India as a leader in the green mobility. Okay. What is the rank of India in Network Readiness Index? Networks NRI 2024. Network Readiness Index में इंडिया का रैंक कौन है? कितना है? 37th, 42, 49th, 55. The correct answer is 49th. Okay, 49th is the correct answer. India ranks 49th in the Network Readiness Index NRI of 11 spot from 2023. तो 60% में था, अभी 29% है, 49% है. NRI evaluates 130 economics, 133 country का E-Dakhil project, which was seen in the news, is associated with which sectors? Livestock, food processing, consumer complaints, income tax. That is consumer complaints. E-Dakhil portals. Okay. The Department of Consumer Affairs has successfully implemented the E-Dakhil portals nationwide, now operational in states, all states and union territories. It was launched in 2020 by National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commissions, NCDRC. The portal offers low-cost, quick and hassle-free way to file consumer complaints. It allows consumer to file complaints, track case progresses, and make payment online. Okay, eliminating the needs for the physical presence. Who has been elected the 11th President of Asian Development Bank, ADB? Okay. Masato Kanda, Bhargav Dasgupta, Masato Asakaga, and Takehito Naka. The option is A. Masato Kanda was unanimously elected the ADB's 11th president and will take the office from February 2024 next year. He belongs to, he is currently a special advisor to Japan Prime Minister and Minister of Finance. अभी जापान का finance minister है. Okay. ADB का हेडक्वार्टर मनीला में है, फिलीपींस. Where the All India Conference of Directors General Inspectors or Inspector General IG Policy 2004 held Hyderabad, New Delhi, Bhubaneswar, Chennai. The correct answer is Bhubaneswar. All India Conference on Directors General (DG) और IG, DG and IG पुलिस का मीट हुआ था, कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ था भुवनेश्वर में, उड़ीसा का कैपिटल से. Recently, who became the youngest female to climb highest peak in all 7 continents? The option is Bhagwati Vishwa, Kamya Karthikeyan, Sanaya Gupta, Kirti Rao. The option is, correct answer is Kamya Karthikeyan. Okay? Look at the explanations. She is the youngest female. She is Mount Vinson in Antarctica in December 2024. Her previous record was, she also scales Mount Kilimanjaro Africa, Mount Elbrus Europe, Mount Pseudo Australia, Mount Aconcagua South America, Mount Denali North America, Mount Everest Asia. Okay, let's cover all continent का mountain scale किया था. Which ministry has introduced Rashtra Parv websites and app to provide convenient access to information about national festivals? Your option is Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Home Affairs. Your correct answer is Ministry of Defense. Rashtra Parv website and app introduced here. Look at the 36, number 36. Maya Sandhu was recently sworn in as the president of which country? Finland, Moldova, Sweden, Norway. The correct option is, answer is Moldova. Okay, Moldova is a small country and European countries. She became the first president in 2020 and first woman to hold the position since Moldova gained independence in 1991. Okay, Moldova's constitution allows a president to serve 2-year terms of 4 years each. Okay, Moldova shifted away from Russia and pursued stronger ties with European countries, that is known as CIS, Common Independent States. This time Russia divided 13 countries separated from Russia. So Moldova is one of them. Recently, in 2024, Moldova applied for European Union's membership. Okay, with 27 nations involved. Viksit Panchayat Karma Yogi initiative is a part of which campaigns? Viksit Panchayat Karma Yogi scheme by campaigns. Initiative in which part, which campaigns? Digital India food delivery, प्रशासन गांव की ओरे भारत निर्माण आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव. The correct option is प्रशासन गांव की ओरे. Okay, प्रशासन गांव की. Its main aim is to strengthen Panchayat Raj institutions (PRAs) through innovative tools and capacity building frameworks. It is already piloted in Odisha, Assam, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh. It uses e-learning platforms, AI chatbots, and mobile apps to enhance government and service delivery. Okay. So, come to the 38 questions numbers. खेला का क्वेश्चन है, गेम का स्पोर्ट्स का क्वेश्चन है. Who won gold medal at Senior National Shooting Championship 2024 in Bhopal? Dhanush, Srikant, Sahu, Tushar, Mane, Rudrak, Balasaheb Patil, Yash, Vardhan. The correct option is Sahu, Tushar, Mane. Look at the explanations. He won the gold in men's 10-meter air rifle events at National Shooting Championship, securing first senior titles. He defended railways from Haryana state. Okay, very important. He defended which organization, that is railway, and which belongs to which state, that is Haryana. Okay, come to the number 39, who has been appointed as the 9th chairperson of National Human Rights Commission (NHRC). Very important GK. R. Ram Subramaniam SP. Further course Ram Krishna. Gabai Kuldeep Singh. Your answer is B. Ram Subramaniam. देखिए, former Supreme Court judge. He was the former Supreme Court judge and appointed for 3 years tenure till 2027. He succeeds Justice Arun Mishra. उसके पहले Arun Mishra था. The acting chairperson Vijay Bharati Sayani leading the NHRC interview. NHRC National Human Rights Commission invest human rights violations, intervenes in the related case, and promote research for human rights protections. Look at the last question of Niti Ayog has launched Youth Co-Lab initiative with which international organization? World Banks, UNDP, UNEP, IMF. The correct answer is UNDP, United Nations Development Programs. Okay, Niti Ayog recently launched Co-Lab initiative. Atal Innovations Missions, that is AIM, Niti Ayog and UNDP, in partnership with City Foundation, launched the 7th Youth Co-Lab International Innovation Challenge for 2024-25. Okay, it is the Youth Co-Lab is co-created by UNDP and City Foundation in 2017. Its main aim is focusing on empowering the youth, drive sustainable development goals through innovations and entrepreneurship. In India, it has begun in 2019. Collaboration with AIM, Niti Ayog, and conducted 6 theme-specific youth innovation dialogue by 2024. Okay, dear students, I have completed 40 questions. 40 questions completed. Please subscribe my channels, please share with friends, and give your valuable comments in the comment box. Okay, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, हमको encouragement करिए. Okay, thank you, bye. I will come in the next video with the January महीने का 40 क्वेश्चन लेकर आएंगे. Okay, इसलिए bye.